I checked out Pinokio and honestly, it has potential. On one hand, the idea is clever. You install the tool, and with just a click, you can run a wide variety of AI apps locally on your computer. It handles setup, dependencies, environment configuration, and lets you launch everything, from image generation to voice tools, without needing to write code or wrestle with terminal commands. It's free, open source, and supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, which gives a lot of flexibility. For people who just want to test out AI tools without deep technical know-how, that ease of use is a major plus. But it's not perfect or foolproof. Some users report that installs fail or apps crash or hang. For heavier AI models, you need decent hardware, good GPU, and enough RAM. Otherwise, performance suffers. Also, because many apps in the library are community-made or experimental, there's a chance of bugs or instability. Pinokio is probably the best attempt so far at an AI app Steam, useful for experimenting and quick setups. But it's still rough around the edges. If you want convenience and don't mind occasional glitches, it's worth trying. If you need stable, production-grade AI work, treat it as a handy tool, not a final solution. If you like, next I can prepare a pros and cons list of Pinokio versus a traditional cloud-based AI service for 2025 to help you see where it makes sense or not to use it.